Good diet plans for weight loss which will work for you. Weight loss most times isn't an easy journey, and when there is no motivational force, you may not be able to reach your set goal. The information provided below should help inspire you to drop excess weight. Dieting. 1. Eat morning meal daily. Perhaps the most useful weight reduction pointer is always to have a morning meal. Breakfast time will help your body regulate the metabolic processes much better. Also, it will assist to prevent you from overeating throughout the day. Consuming a healthy breakfast each morning will notify the body that it won't have to store excess fat, allowing the pounds to fall away. The truth remains that when you skip your morning meal, you are not likely to get all the nutrients your body needs. Breakfast provides you with a chance to get in some nutrients and vitamins from healthy grains, dairy, and fruits as the case may be. 2. Chunky soup is a nice option. Chunky soups can be very useful when you work to lose weight. You don't need to drink to consume more calories when you eat chunky soup. You will discover you feel totally satisfied when you eat soups with large portions of fresh vegetables inside, instead of selecting pureed or foamy soups. Vegetables such as broccoli is a dieter's best friend, as it is a very wholesome veggie and is high in antioxidants. It can be enjoyed raw or steamed, and your system will like it even when added to your soup. 3. Daily exercise. Weight reduction works best for those who determine the most effective workouts that suit their physique. Should you be somebody whose capabilities are better in the morning, then you have to get up earlier and perform some physical exercise. If you are a night owl, do your programs later in the day. Unless you take pleasure in going to the gym, consider purchasing exercise equipment for your home. Pound for pound, muscle exercise burns up to 4 times the calories you consume from fat. Improved muscular mass through resistance training will help boost your weight loss. Weight training conducted several times is the way to go for building up muscles and taking advantage of the benefits. If you feel frustrated, exercises are a wonderful way to boost your mood. Physical exercise releases endorphins, which are shown to elevate mood. 4. Stick to a healthy habit. Be sure to introduce excellent habits to your new weight loss routine and adhere to them. Focusing on creating beneficial modifications is an easy way to stick to a diet. As opposed to seeking to prevent donut shopping each day, replace the habit for fruit or even a healthy smoothie instead. Changing improper habits with good ones is much easier than attempting to get rid of the practice entirely. Diet plan change is a little part of slimming down, although exercise also needs to be incorporated. What this means is getting productive and improving your diet with a minimum of exercise thrice weekly. Being a newbie, this will help you a lot. 5. Prepare your lunch pack. Eating a packed lunch at lunchtime is effective for losing weight. Packaging your very own lunch gives you control over content, ingredients, and portion dimensions, as well as learning how to determine and manage food servings, which are vital to shedding pounds. Pack your lunch pack to avoid packing on the pounds, eating from fast food restaurants snacks every day while at work. Packing your lunch helps you to control the number of calories you consume on a daily basis and other things that goes into the food. 6. Do not prioritize on weight loss. By over-focusing on weight loss, it is easy to turn out to be frustrated, which will lead you to slip right back to your old habits. Individuals who pressure themselves to provide everything up at once usually fall back. But if you do progressive modifications, then you'll soon shed that weight. You need to remain healthful, and this ought to be your focus when you concentrate on your weight loss plans. Even though you might believe this can be contradictory to the goal of this article, prioritizing your well-being above everything else will make you believe much more positively. 7. Avoid eating late-night food. Steer clear of eating immediately before going to bed. If you usually strike the bed sheets at 11 p.m., never eat anything after 9 p.m. If you find that you must take something, get some fruit or fresh vegetables and some water. Although there could be instances when you cannot stick to the 2-hour principle, try your best to avoid doing this. Your body gathers unwanted fat and energy when it's inactive. 8. Get workout partners. Getting exercise buddies is a wonderful method for turning a boring activity into an enjoyable and social action, so get a person to work out or participate in actions with. Take long strolls with close friends, seize a tennis ball and enjoy catch with your children. Many different actions are available to you, and many cost nothing. Also, getting a friend to shed weight along with you will give you increased strength and keep you on the go. You can do your workout routines with each other, plan foods with each other, and discuss the victories and defeats along the way. Once you create a determination as a team, it is tougher to make excuses to enjoy the incorrect factor or skip the workout. 9. Engage in a discussion while eating to help you eat less. Do the maximum amount of talking as is possible when eating dinner out with somebody special. You will be able to better absorb your food this way and control exactly how much you eat. Loosen up and participate within a fascinating, free-flowing discussion to help you eat less at mealtimes. Eating too fast or focusing completely on your meal can cause you to overeat, especially when are feeling too hungry. Engaging in a fascinating conversation can result in eating less for that particular meal. 10. Don't measure your weight loss journey with that of others. Remember never to examine your weight loss journey with that of anyone else because people all slim down at various paces. While many people look like they shed pounds faster, it doesn't indicate anything. Just continue to keep plugging aside, and you will be fine. Don't even think of measuring your rate of success with that of your exercise buddies to avoid getting fed up with the program. The reason why you shouldn't do this is that the rate by which you slim down might not be the same as that of your friends. 11. Do house chores to keep fit and lose weight. Daily housekeeping is a great way to continue to keep energetic and lower weight. You will slim down by simply burning up calories during home cleaning. Listening and grooving to songs during your washing tasks will allow you to burn up even more calories. There are other ways to burn off fat than conventional exercise. You can play with your puppy, clean your vehicle, and go bicycle riding or skiing. It is possible to burn fat without undertaking the repeated movement that standard physical exercise demands. Participate in the routines you love more frequently. You can lose weight by doing so. 12. Don't feel discouraged. Do not let anyone stop you when trying to lose weight. You are going to surely suffer setbacks or give in to the enticement, whether or not on the diet or exercise program. Don't be discouraged. It is possible to adjust to a setback and get back on the right path. 13. Use meals diaries and journals to monitor your calorie intake. Meals diaries and journals are a fun way to monitor your calorie consumption, also to control the exact amount that you take. Having the ability to keep track of what you are eating daily will help you understand where adjustments need to be made. Be conscious of everything you consume and monitor your calorie consumption to help improve your health. Use the guidance in the above paragraphs to arrive at a better weight loss, but aim safely and be as effective as possible. You just need the correct attitude and determination to accomplish a better result. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this.